A lot of people now use cool and amazing AIs to actually create the YouTube videos that are actually amazing and engaging for your audience. That's why in this video I'm actually going to show you how you could make use of an AI to go on to creating a video for your YouTube channel. And guys, before we do that, kindly check out the first link in the description of this video. That link is going to lead you right here to this section where you can actually learn how I made $10,000 every 3 months with only 30 minutes of work daily with this particular course. And in this course I'm actually going to walk you through the process from making $0 in revenue on YouTube to making $10,000 a month in just 3 months using 3 money printing secrets. And to actually check out how I'm actually doing this on autopilot, watch this video right here. And you could go on to registering for the course by clicking on get my course now. You could also check out proof to what I'm saying right here for my channels by watching this video. You could register for the course right here. You could come right to this particular section and you'll be able to see the content that will be made available to you once you do register for this course. You could also go on further to scrolling through to this particular section, and in this section guys you'll be able to see the amount my students are actually earning once they do make use of this particular strategy from this particular video. So once you actually do that guys, you'll be able to see a lot more and learn a lot more, and I assure you guys it's definitely worth it. Don't miss out on this opportunity. So jumping right ahead into today's video, like I said, I'm going to show you how you could go on to using an AI to create a YouTube video. But the AI which we're actually going to be using right here for today's video is the Fliki Ai. So guys, you could actually go on to the description of this video to check out the link right there, because it will be made available to you right there. So once you are on the Fliki.ai, you could just simply come right here, and you know that this is a text-to-speech AI right here that is having a lot of features like giving you AI voices right here. You could create a text-to-speech form of creative videos from your script, blog posts, or using realistic voices in 2 minutes right here. And to actually sign up, you could sign up for free, but kindly check out the pricing section right here. And once you do go into the pricing section, you'll be able to see more details about the plans right here. We have the free plan, the basic plan, the standard, and the premium plan. You could get any of them right there, but for the purpose of this video I'm using the free plan. And once you actually do register for the free plan, like you can see right here, I'm on the home page of my Fliki Ai account. So once I go on further to clicking on new file right here, I could give my file a name right here. So once I've given my file a name right now, I could select the language, select the type of video which I intend on creating, whether video or audio. I'm going to select video and go on to clicking on create. So once you do click on create, you want to just simply wait for this to load up, and once it loads up, you'll be brought to a page such as this where you just want to go on to removing this text and pasting your new script. Or you could go on further to clicking on convert right here. You could get ideas for your videos. You could also get the background to video right here, the PowerPoint to video. You could convert the PowerPoint to video. For this particular section is the blog to video, the blog to video. So you could convert your blog to video, and you could also convert your tweet to videos using this particular AI. So right here I already have my script already copied on my clipboard. So I'm just going to go on to coming right here and pasting that. And once I do paste that, Fliki AI is also going to help me split my script into different scenes and selecting a suitable video that actually matches with the script of that particular scene. So you want to wait for this to load, and right here you'll be able to see the preview right there. So guys, these are all cool videos that are actually generated. To change the video, you just want to click on the video icon, go on to selecting the video, and you could just simply, you'll be able to see a lot more amount of videos that are right on this AI which you could use right there. You could also get AI ads. You could also go on for that, maybe to uploading yours from your library, and you could check out the recent videos and images which we used earlier. So guys, you could just simply check out all of them, check out that by doing that. You could change the AI voice by clicking on the AI right here and select the voice which you want right here. But because I'm making use of the free plan, I cannot actually gain access to all of the points right here. So make sure you select the cool points or the cool voice that is actually suitable to you right here. Once you do select the cool voice that is suitable to you right here, if I select this, I could just simply click on select, or I could apply the voice to all sections if I do want to. And I could also go on further to clicking on this three dots right here to change the voice, or I could move this particular script down. I could also change the image and video, the custom duration, and the download section. So you just want to go on to editing and playing around each and every section. If the video does not match the script, you could go on further to changing the video right there. And once you're done, guys, just simply go on to clicking on export. So once you click on export, you can see that it's processing right now, and it's actually going to join in with the queue. So guys, you could see right here it's being processed right here. So once it's done undergoing the processing stage, you can therefore go on further to downloading your video right there. And once your video has been downloaded, head back to YouTube and go on to start uploading your videos. You could see how easy and fast it is to actually go on to making use of this particular AI called the Fliki Ai to generate videos for your YouTube channel right there. So guys, I advise you start making use of these strategies right there, because it will help you in generating a lot more of free videos using this particular AI. So guys, with that being said, that's it for now. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all, so that it could alert you whenever I release more videos that could be helpful to you in making extra income online. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video, guys, and goodbye.